Hi, my name is Ana Victoria, and today I am going to talking about the TPR or Total Physical Response method. Okay, to the start with the presentation, we talk about what is the TPR or what is the Total Physical Response method. Okay, to the start, the Total Physical Response or TPR is a set of methods developed by Dr. James J. Asher. He's a professor of psychology at San Jose State University to assist in language learning. So TPR is that when an additional language is learned, it's internalized through code the decryption process, which in turn allows a long period of comprehension developed before language production. So this learning system is based on the idea that the human brain is biologically programmed to learn any natural language. So include the sing language of the deaf. So and the example of all these how babies internalize language. Okay, so okay. To the continue with the presentation, we'll answer the question how to use the TPR. Okay, in this case, it's in this we find six steps. Okay, the number one is called prepare it or select the vocabulary. In this part, select the vocabulary that you are going to teach, and you need to gather any equipment, props, or pictures you will need to illustrate the meaning of the words. Okay, and the second step is teacher modeling. In this, say that the new vocabulary word for the students. As you do this, use gestures, facial expressions, props, or body movement to illustrate the meaning of the word. Okay, and then the number third is students modeling. In this, the students have volunteers mimic the same gestures, facial expressions, and use props or body movements, models as you say the word. Okay, to the continue is the number four is students participation. In this is the same that the third, because how all students mimic the same gestures, facial expressions, use of props or body movements modeled by the teacher and students volunteers. But ask them to say the word as they are making the movement. Vary this activity by them doing the action and while students say the word. The number five is greeting. In this part, the students write the word or phrases where all the students can see it, so that students can make the connection between oral and written words. Okay, and finally, we have the number six, that this is repetition and practice. Okay, so here teach next word or phrase using the same method. Okay, review and practice words with the students, multiply the time to ensure learning. Okay, recycle words regularly to make sure that students don't forget all words. Okay. So finally, we remember that the total physical response focus on how children learn the native language. Okay, then observe and study the communication between parents and children, combining verbal and motor skills, and how the child responds physically to the verbal communication of the parents. Uh, the child's response is in turn positively referred by the parent source. So that's all, and thank you very much.